apparently it's subscription week. Hey everybody, my name's Amanda. I'm kind of new here. And I now have my Ipsy bag. I have a full face of makeup on because I literally just filmed my BoxyCharm video. So that means we're not trying on anything today. But BoxyCharm should go up on Tuesday. Should have went out on Tuesday. I know what I mean. So, and I found my scissors. I know, nobody should be excited about that but me. But, alright, let's rip indoor. Well, cut indoor. The first thing that popped out was 2 sheet masks. From Secret Key, I got one in Tea Tree, one in Honey, and I have a drawer of them. I need to start doing sheet masks again. And here's the bag. It is pretty, isn't it? Let's see what's in here. Okay. Ooh, I have a banana setting powder. I was just gonna buy one, but I've got it from Bella Pierre. Well, they're not my favorite brand, but we'll give it a shot. I got another reason to use these scissors that I'm so happy I found. I have an eyeshadow from City Chic. And that is in the color Skinny Latte. If I'm going to get a latte, I am spending the money on a fancy coffee. Give me all the fat. Right? Yeah, okay. Okay, from Elizabeth Mott, I got a blending brush. And I have an eyeliner from Ico. I'll be honest, I'm not that excited about it. So, anyway, what we're going to do is, I think I'm going to try and figure out a way to use up all these singles that I get from Ipsy. So, yeah. Stick around, well, come back and check. In fact, hit that subscribe button, the red one. Kind of looks like this. Yeah, and while you're there, make sure to ring the little bell thingy over here. Well, not that one. Looks like that. And while you're there, subscribe. Oh, like it. Give it a thumbs up. It looks like this right in my face. Did you see it? Right there. Okay. So, my face is right there. We've already seen the thumbs up. But, yeah, guys, if you like what you see here, so like, subscribe, comment below. Yeah, all these things, they're extremely helpful. So, help us to stop. All right. We'll talk to y'all later. Bye.